What if your AI tutor could actually see your notes, draw the answer out on a whiteboard, and still remember you tomorrow? This is Waypoint Mentor. You talk to it like a real tutor, out loud or by typing, and it actually teaches instead of just answering. Upload your own class notes and it becomes your tutor's brain. It will cite your slides, not generic textbook answers. Here is a small demonstration of how the voice tutor works.
Hey, Ben. Good morning. What are you hoping to focus on today? We could look at that curve analysis stuff you missed before if you're up for that, or something totally different.
Yeah, I would like to do another implicit differentiation question.
Sounds good. Let's dive into one. I've put a problem on the whiteboard for you. It asks for dy dx of a circle and then the slope at a specific point. Give it a shot and let me know where you get started.
Yeah, can you show me another question?
No problem. Let's try another one. Here's a curve where you'll need the product rule on one side, which is a common twist in these problems. How does this one look to you? Can you tell me your first step for differentiating it?
I am actually not too sure. Could you help me go through this together?
Absolutely, we can do that. I've started breaking it down on the whiteboard. Basically, we take the derivative of every piece, remembering that whenever you differentiate a term with y, you multiply by dy by dx. See how I use the product rule on that 6xy part? Take a look and tell me if those steps make sense so far.
Yeah, those steps make sense so far.
Great! So the next part is just gathering all the dy by dx terms on one side and isolating it, like I've shown on the board. After that, we just plug in the point 33 to get the final slope. Ready to try and finish it, or do you want to go over that last bit of algebra?
No, let's finish it. I want to see the final answer and full solution.
You got it. I've worked through the rest of the algebra on the board, plugging in x equals 3 and y equals 3. Looks like the slope at that point is -1. Does everything make sense there in the final calculation?
Yeah, it makes sense. Thank you.
No problem at all. Happy to help. Do you want to try another one of those, or maybe move on to a different topic from your notes? We could revisit those related rates problems if you want to keep practicing differentiation in a different context.
As you can see, the tutor keeps learning from every interaction you have with him and learns from what you need help with. It builds your flashcards and quizzes for you and quietly tracks what you keep getting wrong so it can bring it back up later. There is even an AI marker. Upload your assignment criteria and your draft, and it grades you criterion by criterion with real feedback, not just a rewritten version of your essay to copy and paste.
Hey, Ben. Glad you stopped by. I wanted to chat about this assignment. What did you want to talk about first?
Why did I only get 90 for the summary of main points?
Right. So overall, I thought you did a really good job summarizing the main points and explaining complex ideas in your own words. To get those extra points, I would have liked to see a bit more specific detail on the methodology, maybe directly referencing some of those different methods you mentioned earlier. Does that make sense?
It works from your phone between classes, it remembers how you like to be taught, and yes, it will even talk to you in a different accent if you ask it to. And you can start for free right now. No card required. This channel breaks down every single part of this app in under 5 minutes each. Subscribe and go try it at waypointmentor.com.